All right, there's selfies, but there's also selfie videos. And if you want to learn how to take a good selfie video, well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, I'll walk you through it. Okay, we're talking selfie videos today, okay? Maybe Facebook Live, or maybe you're recording a video that you're later gonna put together for a YouTube video. Whatever it is, it's you and the camera, and it's video. So let's talk about how to do it right. I've got the 4 L's of making a great selfie video. Number 1, the layout of your video. Now this is very important, and I'm not talking about in-camera layout, I'm talking about which direction your camera is facing, whether it's vertical or horizontal. Generally speaking, you want to have a horizontal, or what's called in the industry a landscape perspective, when you're making a selfie video. Think about it. Most of our monitors on our computers or our TVs or wherever we're seeing these things, they are landscape. When people watch on the computer, it's landscape. When people are scrolling through their Facebook feed, generally you want to have a landscape or horizontal video when you're recording. Now, nowadays, they're getting more into the vertical. A lot of your Facebook stories, a lot of your Instagram stories, they actually prefer the vertical format. So be aware where this video is going to be seen. If it's going to be an Instagram story or a Facebook story, have the vertical on. Turn your phone right side up. Finally, they've caught up with us, right? If it's going to be in a YouTube video or it's going to be shown on a monitor, have it horizontal or landscape layout. That's the first and most important thing to pay attention to, because you can't change it after you start filming. If you change the landscape after you start filming, you're going to have a sideways video, which was the #1 mistake of most brand new Facebook livers, is that they turn their camera sideways after they started recording. So remember your layout. That's the first L. Second L to a great selfie video is lighting. And when it comes to lighting, that is the most important element in photography or videography. Lighting is going to make or break your video. When it comes to lighting, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an expert videographer. You don't have to be an expert photographer. There's just one rule that you need to remember, that your face needs to be the brightest thing in your image, which is why a lot of people, you'll see that they'll buy ring lights. These ring lights are donut-shaped lights they either attach to their phone or stand independently on their own, and those lights are facing the subject, or facing you in this case because it's a selfie video. So whenever you're using any type of lighting, whether it's a ring light, whether it's a window, whether it's natural sunlight outside, you need to be facing the light, because that's what's going to be brightest in your video. And this is something that's totally easy to fix if your lighting is off. If you find that your face is dark in the image, just do a 180, turn around. Your light is behind you. If you're dark, it's because you're facing the wrong way. Just make a quick 180, or even a little bit of 45-degree angle on that, and that's gonna fix your image. Just turn it around. Try it out. Try it out with your selfie video before you start. Just look at your lighting before you hit record, and that's gonna show you what your video is gonna look like. The third L of creating a great selfie video is the length of the video, or the duration of the video. Consider where your audience is going to see the video. On Facebook, people generally want to watch something that's under 2 minutes or so. That's how long our attention spans are on Facebook. It's about 2 minutes. And even before they click on the video, they're going to look at the time that it's going to take for them to get through the video. And when they say 2 minutes, they'll think, oh, okay, I have 2 minutes. I can spend 2 minutes. But if you create a video and post it that's 10 or 15 minutes long, I guarantee you're not going to get as many full views on that video as you would if it was less than 2 or maybe 2 to 3 minutes long. So consider the length of your video. Now, consider YouTube. YouTube, you can get away with a little bit longer of a video if your introduction is spicy enough, if it's intriguing enough. Now, if you have a 10 to 15 minute video on YouTube, you've got to keep it hopping the whole time, because your length is going to be considered when people click on YouTube. Now, that you do have permission to take more of their attention here, but don't waste any time off the bat. You don't get a second chance to make a first impression. One of the biggest mistakes that I see with people when they're creating a Facebook Live or they're doing a selfie video of any kind is the look on their face. This is the 4th L of creating great selfie videos. The look on their face. Generally, people will have a very sour look on their face when they're starting their video, because they're looking at their phone and they're trying to figure it out, and their video will start with a face like, huh? It's totally weird. So when you're starting your video, put a look on your face that's appealing, that people want to see when they first jump onto your video. Smile before your video starts. Be ready for the camera, because when the video starts and you're looking down at your camera, maybe your angle's off and it looks all weird, it's kind of off-putting. Some people don't even realize that this is a subconscious, oh, I don't want to watch that it's weird. When you're recording a video, start with the look on your face that you want to have for the duration of the video. Inviting, smiling. Just take a look at it before you hit record. Don't be too hasty, okay? Again, before you hit that record button on your selfie videos, check the 4 L's. The layout, the lighting, the length of video, and the look of the video. Have a consciousness for these. Take 30 seconds and go through all of those 4 L's before you hit record, and you're gonna have a great video at the end. Hey, let me know if you like today's content in the comments below. Ask whatever questions you're wanting to about cameras, selfies, whatever you wanna know. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you tomorrow.